In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize the Copilot app interface. To get started, open the Copilot app and take a look at the top right corner of the window. This area includes the main view controls you'll use to change the size and layout of the app. There are two important options here, and understanding the difference between them will make resizing much easier. The first option is Quick View, which is the icon that looks like an arrow. When you click this, the Copilot app switches into a smaller, more compact interface. This can be really useful if you want to keep Copilot visible on your screen while working in another app at the same time. It gives you a lighter, less intrusive version of the interface that takes up less space. Once Quick View is open, you can resize it by moving your cursor to the edge of the window. When the resize cursor appears, click and drag the edge inward or outward to adjust the size. Just keep in mind that Quick View has some built-in limits, so you won't be able to stretch it endlessly. If it stops resizing, that's normal. It simply means you've reached the maximum size allowed in that compact mode. If you want to return to the regular layout, go back to the top right corner and click the Restore icon. This brings the app back from Quick View into the full view. Even though it may still appear as a smaller window depending on your setup, this mode gives you more flexibility. From here, you can freely resize the Copilot window by clicking and dragging the edges, just like a standard app window. This is the best option if you want more control over the size of the interface and need to expand it to better fit your screen or workflow. You can make it larger for easier reading or keep it smaller if you want to save space. A helpful tip while resizing is to drag slowly so you can better see how the layout responds. That makes it easier to choose a size that feels comfortable and practical for what you're doing, and that's it. That's how to resize the Copilot app interface using Quick View for a compact window, or Restore for a more flexible full view window. Once you know where those two controls are, adjusting the interface only takes a few seconds.